Hi, I'm Daniel Gray-Barnett, and here are my tips for something to read next if you like my book, All Poems Aloud. I really love nonsense poems, and one of my favorites is The Owl and the Pussycat, written by Edward Lear. So there's lots of copies and versions of that book published over the last however many years, but there's a really beautiful one illustrated by Charlotte Volk. So if you can find that copy of The Owl and the Pussycat illustrated by Charlotte, that's a really nice one. One of Joseph Coelho's books is called Overheard in the Tower Block, and it's a collection of poems about growing up in the city, and that's illustrated by Kate Milner. That's a really good book. Another one, I love picture books. I think picture books for all ages regardless, and there's a great one called All the Ways to be Smart, written by Davina Bell and illustrated by Alison Colpois. And it's a rhyming picture book, and it's just really beautifully written, and it's all about different ways that people can be smart, not just academically smart, but all the things that we can be good at. And yeah, I really enjoy that one. That's a good one. Spike Milligan is one of my other favorite poets, and I love his illustrations too. So if you can get any book by Spike Milligan, but I really particularly love the one Silly Verse for Kids. So yeah, if you find Spike Milligan's Silly Verse for Kids, that's a good one. The last one is one of my books, Spooky Poems Aloud, written by Joseph Coelho and illustrated by me. And so that's a new collection of poems that we've worked on together, poems to frighten you and delight you. So lots of scary, fun poems to read and perform.